Here comes Kalen. He's biking up a storm. His first full day biking around town. Here he comes. Doot doot. Here's Kalen. Ah. Keep going. Keep biking.
Keep pushing him.
Daddy's watching. There. Keep going. Daddy's coming. Kalen is 3 years old, turning 4 in a week. Week today. He's biked all the way from home, all the way here. Good boy. Oh, you stopped on your own.
Yeah, he knows how to work.
Hey, you ready to go play Goombas? Yeah. You want to go play Goombas?
Yeah.
You want to bike home? You and Dada?
Bike home? Yeah, we just turn you around. Here. You want me to? Oh, okay. Good. And we'll turn the bike around.
Are you fine?
It's too small for the Grandpa.
That's fine.
That's too small for Dada.
Okay. Why don't you get on top and you want to bike back?
He's got no choice.
Want to bike back?
Let's go home.